little smart on your guys' part. Like the fact that they'll just forgive you 4 weeks without the car. Okay, yeah, good.
With accident forgiveness, your rates won't go up just because of an accident. Switching to Allstate is worth it.
Everything you need to ready, set, go. Back to school.
Pick a car. It's not car's history. Just look at all the great deals.
Thanks, buddy.
Boom. Starting our used car search. The all-new car.
Where Zaxby's is from.